In this video, we're going to learn how to use To Do either from your desktop or from office.com. You can access your to-do list in either of those areas. I'm going to show you today how to get this onto your desktop. So what I need to do is I'm going to search for the application To Do, and it will be called Microsoft To Do. And when I open this to-do list, it will ask me to sign in to my account if I've not used it before. And as you can see here, I can now look at my to-do list for my day. So you can see here that I've got a couple of tasks that I need to do. And what I also can do from here at the bottom is add more tasks to my to-do list. To add a task, I just click down here at the bottom and I can put my task into there. I can then on the right hand side look at where I want to put this in terms of a list, so which area do I want to include this. I can also add in a due date, so if I want to do that today, or maybe it's something that I need to do tomorrow, I can do that. I can also set a reminder for myself and repeat this, so if it's a repeatable task I could add that in there as well. When I'm ready to add that in, I can then hit enter on my keyboard, and you can see that that has now been added to my to-do list. On the left hand side here, you have a couple of options in terms of what you can click into. And what you need to know here is Microsoft To Do is actually a part of Planner. So any Microsoft Planner boards that you have or that you're a part of, it will also connect to that. So down here at the bottom in my training team, we've got a planner board that we use. And you can see here that there's an actual task for me to complete, and it's showing in my to-do list. I can also see any tasks that are assigned to me, and I can see any future planned tasks just by clicking into this left hand side here. Now going back into my day, what I can do from here, I can also go to the top right hand corner and I can look at any suggested tasks to add into my to-do list. What this is doing is this is looking at Microsoft Planner, and any tasks that have been assigned to me in Planner is telling me to add into my to-do list. To do that, I can just click this plus icon here, and this can be added to my day. You'll now see that that has been updated in my to-do list, and my day is now looking quite full with some of the tasks that I need to complete. You also have the ability, clicking into the ellipsis here, these three dots, to change the theme of this. So if you want to change the color background, you can customize this, and you can even email this list or print it out if just for ease of access from here. You've also got the ability on the back on the left hand side to search for any lists that you have created or search for any tasks. And you can even create a new to-do list just by clicking new list down here. The last point I will mention here when you are creating your to-do lists is I would make sure that your Microsoft To Do, if you want to use this on a daily basis, is connected to your taskbar. To do that, just hover over the icon at the bottom of your screen, right click on your mouse and select Pin to Taskbar. What that will do is every time you close down this application, your to-do list is now pinned in your taskbar, so you can quickly access that to-do list, and you can tick off any tasks you want to do just by clicking the tick off item here. That will show you that the item is completed, and you can continue to then tick off things through your day. You can also, as a final point, click into any of these tasks that you've created, and in here you can actually add more detail to remind yourself of what you need to do within that task. So you can add steps to this, you can even set reminders, add attachments and files, and even add a note to remind yourself of what you might need to do. So clicking into any task, you can go into more detail. As mentioned, you can also access this on office.com, and it will be the same setup there. That's how you can use Microsoft To Do.